To set up Apple Pay on your iPhone, start by opening the Wallet app, which can be found on your home screen. If you do not see the Wallet app, you can swipe left on your home screen and type Wallet in the search bar to find it. Once you have opened the Wallet app, tap the plus sign in the top right corner to begin the process of adding a credit or debit card to Apple Pay. You will be prompted to select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit card or debit card, and then you will need to take a picture of the card using your iPhone's camera or manually enter the card information. If your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay, you will be asked to verify your card information with them. This may involve receiving a verification code via text message or phone call, which you will need to enter to confirm that you are the owner of the card. After your card has been verified, you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions of using Apple Pay. Once you have agreed, your card will be added to the Wallet app and you will be able to use it to make purchases with Apple Pay. To use Apple Pay, simply hold your iPhone near a contactless payment terminal and place your finger on the Touch ID sensor or double-click the side button for Face ID models. You will see a confirmation on the screen when the payment has been made. You can also use Apple Pay in apps and on websites by selecting Apple Pay as the payment method and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. This provides an additional layer of security and convenience when making purchases online or in apps. To manage your Apple Pay cards, open the Wallet app and tap on the card you want to manage. From here, you can view your recent transactions, remove the card from Apple Pay, or update your card information. It is also a good idea to set up a passcode or use Face ID or Touch ID to secure your iPhone and protect your Apple Pay information. This will help prevent unauthorized access to your Apple Pay cards and ensure that your information remains secure. By following these steps, you can easily set up and use Apple Pay on your iPhone, making it a convenient and secure way to make purchases in stores, in apps, and online.